Namaste all, this is JVn Yukta Dixit from the Department of Fashion Design and Fine Arts. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Hapa Zome. It is a textile topic. It is an eco-printing technique that we use for sustainability, and today I am going to tell you about Hapa Zome, how it got invented, how we do it, and the process and the benefits of eco-printing. So, for the supplies that we need for eco-printing are these polishes, and you can get it from locally around your surroundings, these leaves. I have also prepared a vinegar solution here. I have a fixer. This is a water container. You will be needing a hammer for that and a cotton cloth. So the process starts in this way that first you need to wash your cloth and cut it into two pieces. You can also keep it on fold and not cut it into two pieces. So here I have already prepared my swatches. So the first thing you need to do here is you have to choose your leaves or flowers that you want to imprint on fabric. So basically Hapa Zome is a printing technique in which we take leaves impressions on fabric. We basically hammer the leaves on fabric until it leaves its color and its detail, veins and etc. So we are going to use the different type of leaves and flowers to see how beautifully the color can be created onto a fabric. So first of all, I am dipping my leaves and flowers into this vinegar solution. So the role of this vinegar is, vinegar helps plants to lose its color onto any surface that we are planning to hammer. For example, if we are going to hammer it onto a fabric or a paper, it will help the plant to lose its colors and make it more easy to get imprint onto something else. So let's start with hammering process. First of all, you have to arrange your design and these leaves and flower in whichever way you want, so that you can prepare a sandwich of your cloth. I am also going to use this. You can always create some random placement and abstract look from these plants. As you can see, I have arranged my foliages, and now I am going to layer it up with the second layer of fabric. So that's how you layer it. Now it's time to sandwich it, and now it's time to hammer it. So you have to hammer it very firmly, not too firmly that you tear your fabric, but you have to rotate the hammer into a round shape so that it creates a proper pattern. As you can see that the pigment has started coming out here. So in the same way you have to hammer all the things here, and you can see the result. So as you can see, the color has already come out on the fabric. So it's time to see what we have got. See how beautifully the color is transformed on both the sides. You can also look at the details. So it is experimental that what side of the fabric will be more colored and more beautiful. So the brightness of color depends on the side of leaf or petals you have kept. So you must always try and explore new leaves, new flowers to see which leaf and which flower is more pigmented and which can give you a beautiful result. Eco printing is basically a sustainability technique, how you can maintain a sustainability, and it is very environmental friendly. We should practice it, and it is one of the most I would say ancient and worthful techniques. We should practice it in a way that people should appreciate the environment and they should save the environment. We should reduce the use of synthetic dyes, and by using such techniques we can always help our nature in getting back the greens. So here are the samples that I have already prepared. You can look at the details. The veins of leaves are also visible. These leaves and flowers are easily available in surroundings. So yeah, that was the fun of eco printing. Now the last step of eco printing and developing swatches and sample is we have to wash the sample. As soon as it gets dry, we can do the hand wash it. And I prefer dipping it into a fixer solution so that the dye remain into the fabric. So I would like to take your help for this. So here we are using a fixer and this is water. We are going to mix it. Gently wash it. Just remove the extra foliage that is on it. You can remove this part. The color is not going to spread because it is already transferred to the fabric. And you let it dry in the sun. So yes, this is the art of eco printing, and that's how we use it. Do let me know how you feel about it, and please give your valuable comments on the environmental sustainability that we are trying here. So thank you for watching.